Hello students, so this week we're going to be looking at screening, brief intervention and referral to treatment, otherwise known as SBIRT. This is an evidence-based approach that is becoming increasingly popular for usage in schools. I recently attended the American Association of Counselor Education and Supervision conference in Chicago and attended several sessions on substance use coursework for school counsellors. Primarily, the speakers emphasised the need for school counsellors to be trained in SBIRT. Their stance was that while school counsellors are not going to be providing long-term treatment, they will inevitably encounter children and adolescents with AOD issues and need a few powerful tools. These included motivational interviewing, psychoeducation, and SBIRT. Many SBIRT trainers emphasise motivational interviewing as a brief approach of choice within the SBIRT model. Thus, a focus on SBIRT will segue nicely into next week's module on MI. For this week's learning activity, you are tasked with completing the 1.5-hour screening, brief intervention and referral to treatment training provided by healthknowledge.org. To register, follow the link. The training has been approved for continuing education credit by NBCC, and participants that need C credit can get that for a small fee. However, you can take the course for free and receive a certificate of completion. You will need to scan your certificate, either print it and scan it or take a photo and upload it to get credit for this week's learning activity. First, you'll have to register for the course by following the link. Once you register, it can take up to 2 hours to receive an email with your username and password before you can start. Mac users may have issues with Adobe Flash when it comes to the audio on the webinars. I did. However, on each webinar there is a PDF with audio in text form. Because I know it's always a little time consuming navigating a new system, and I want to account for your time, there is no discussion board this week, just the quiz and the learning activity. If you have any issues with the website, there is a help desk. Either there's a number and then you can text them, and there's a Q&A. I found that quite helpful in terms of navigating it, but rest assured if you have any other questions, please email me. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good week.